If you want to edit your video 5 times faster, this is a video for you. Hey guys, my name is Arya. I'm a filmmaker. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. So, you want to edit your video. What's the first thing you do? Rough cut. And rough cut is very exhausting. It took so much time. You have to cut the video, delete that part and make adjustments, and after it's a terrible process. So what can we do about that? Like this video and we get into it. I want to introduce 2 shortcuts in Premiere Pro. Shortcuts are Q and W. Let me know down in the comment, have you heard of these 2 shortcuts or not? So what they do, let's get into the Premiere Pro. This is our footages. So we start cutting the first footage. Delete those parts. Now edit the second footage. We're gonna cut here and here. Delete the extra as well. Third footage. We're gonna cut here and about here. And the fourth footage. Cut here and here. Delete the extra, and this is our video. Now let's do that once again with Q and W. When you press Q, you cut the footage and delete the part in left. When you press W, you cut the footage and delete the part in the right. And as you can see, our editing is very smoother, faster, and this is the result. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next time.